really appreciated this workshop. We know that the startup scene is booming right now, especially in Region 6. A motto of every startup should be move fast and don't break things. Of course, we keep adding features or changing features every sprint, every 2 weeks. And how do we achieve that properly? So, of course, it's test-driven development, TDD, and many startups or even mature companies, they call themselves agile, but they're not really agile. They don't do TDD. They still do manual testing, and they're not going to survive all the change requests and all the refactoring. So TDD will give you the confidence. Without TDD, you'll be scared to change features, add features. You'll be scared to refactor and make your code cleaner because you might break things. So you cannot move fast and don't break things. So it's really an awesome workshop. Hopefully you could have more of this.
For today's workshop, what I learned are the following: programming concepts, writing test TDD, also writing clean code, and the importance of understanding your client's needs so that you can build the correct project for them. Also making your code understandable for your coworkers or for the next developers to work on the project.
In this workshop, I've learned that you're not a good programmer if you're just only good in logic. You must also be considerate enough for the next programmer in your program. Next is, what I've learned is testing is not one-shot testing. So one-shot testing will kill your program entirely. Basically, if you're gonna fail a big test and you're gonna have a hard time debugging your program.
So what I have learned for today's seminar is that first, you need to code a little and test a little. Second one is, before you start anything else, you need to fully understand what really your client needs. And the third one is, you have to make your code expressive for your coworkers. And the last one, if you feel like you don't know something, it will not hurt you if you reach your code developers for help.
So from this workshop, I learned that TDD helps us make cleaner and more efficient code. And it also got me stuck on a saying that laziness can be a gift if used correctly.
In this workshop, I really learned a lot about code refactoring and TDD. I really recommend training in Orange and Bronze.